Hello, in this video I want to show you how to power on and off a Steelseries Arctis Nova Pro wireless headset. And to do this, first make sure that you have a battery placed inside the headset, and on the right one you can find the plate, so rotate it and then open it with a gap right here, and you can see that the battery is inserted like this. You can see the pins, adjust them with the battery, and then close the lid so that the battery won't fall off. Now to power them on, you will need to hold the power key on the left headphone. Now I turned it off because it was already powered on, and so that was how to power them off. And now to turn them on, hold the same button for 1 second and they should start. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.